Welcome, today I'll show you how to change your icon shape into OPPO A17. First of all, open your Play Store and in search find X icon changer application. This one. In downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Now from the list of our app, need choose your application what you wanna change. So maybe it's YouTube, will be nice. So choose our application, and now from the library of new icon, choose some new icon. Maybe this one. Okay, and now for saving this icon, need to tap OK button in the top right corner and wait a second for generating
Witaj w Shopee. Kupuj online.
of our icon. Sorry for that, need to close ads maybe a few times. So and now tap add to home screen. We got success message, so go to our home screen and find our new YouTube icon here. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.